USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against yen. Now, before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video, you will find some links that say join free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals every now and then, join Telegram for free, and then check out the brokers and the pro firms. Sign up with these brokers if and when you are going to trade with my signals. Okay, I want you to have a separate account for my signals only. Don't mix it with other signals. If you're trading right now in your existing account, leave it that way. For my signals, open a brand new account. Okay. Anyways, we'll talk about this in the future when you are in my Telegram. For now, subscribe, like, all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, I told you many times, uptrend, pullback, we are going up again. This is a pullback, then we'll go up again. So weekly doesn't really matter. Let's come back to daily. What we have in daily, we are in daily, we are near the EMI. Okay, so we are taking a pullback. You could say that, or maybe this is the sideways market actually. In daily, in the USDJPY, we are consolidating right now. This is sideways ranging market. Okay. So I think we will have a breakout towards the upside pretty soon, in next maybe this is Wednesday already. When Wednesday is over already. Okay. So I think maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, I don't know exactly, but I think we will have a breakout towards the upside and we will continue the uptrend after that, I guess. Okay. So let's come back to 4 hour to see if you have any entry signal here. I think that should be our entry. Okay. So if you use your line again right here, this is your low, previous low in 4 hour. If this previous low is broken, then look for shorts. If this, otherwise, personally, I think that we will have a candle and rejection from the EMA. Okay, so this might be that candle, coming until the EMA, and then we will have blue. Then we will have a blue candle now in next 4 hour. Otherwise, we might have another, red candle, and then we will have a blue candle. So I think the pullback is over. This was the uptrend, then pullback 78%, and then we should have the next blue confirmation candle to go long. Okay, so as per me, look for longs in USDJPY, and clearly in 4 hour we are going to maybe reject the EMA, then blue confirmation candle. That's where you will enter long. Okay, so look for longs. That's how I'll say. Only look for shorts if this low is broken. So if this low is broken here, then let the candle come here, then pull back, then go down. But I don't think that will happen. So look for longs after the rejection and then blue confirmation candle, go long. That's all I have for you now. So yeah, it's too hot here where I live. It's too hot. Weather's too hot. Okay, subscribe, like, join Telegram and this broker and all of that, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.